Kids, you can make your own ice cream.
Cooking is boring.
Yum, yum.
Oh, he likes it very much. He's dancing.
Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Why did Yum Yum break?
You gave Yum Yum all food at once, but you should have given it in parts. What is the morning meal called?
Breakfast.
Right. What is the second meal called?
Lunch!
Well done. And the evening meal is called?
Dinner.
Great.
Choose your favorite color.
Pink on the middle finger.
Choose your favorite color.
Orange on the ring finger. Up. Hooray! I win! Yay! La 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 la.
Choose your favorite color.
La la. Green on the little finger. La 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 la.
Here are 10 Lego pieces. Let's put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whee! Oh no! It's too far for the shore!
I have an idea.
Yay!